Okay, good morning. I'm here in Saudi Arabia now, working as auto electrician and technician. Also, air condition technician. And for now, I'm working here. I'm repairing a replacement of alternator because the customer complained the battery is always low watt. Then I found out the alternator cannot charge the battery. Then I request the customer replace the alternator. This is Lexus 460. Lexus 460. And this is the alternator. Old alternator. And have one car. I'm repairing the Camry. This is a overheating problem. Before we check the radiator and have a leak of the water. That's why the customer buy a new radiator. This is the radiator. Old radiator. Okay. I'm here in Saudi Arabia for now. Thank you.